Today I'm going to show you how to create a bucket using AWS S3 in N8n, step by step, in just a few simple clicks. If you're building automations that need file storage, backups, uploads, or workflows that move data into S3, this is one of the first things you'll want to set up correctly. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical N8n tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your N8n workflow and go to the Nodes panel. In the search bar, type AWS S3 and then select the AWS S3 node from the list. Once the node is added to your workflow, look for the action or operation menu inside the node settings. From there, choose Create a Bucket. This is the option you need if you want N8n to create a brand new S3 bucket for you automatically. Next, you'll need to configure the bucket details. Start by entering the bucket name. Make sure the name is unique because AWS S3 bucket names must be globally unique across all users. Then choose the AWS credentials connected to your account so N8n can access your S3 service properly. After that, review any additional settings available in the node and fill in the required details based on your setup, such as region or other bucket options if they appear. Be sure everything matches your AWS account configuration before running the node. Once your details are entered, save the node and execute the workflow or test the node to create the bucket. If everything is configured correctly, N8n will send a request to AWS S3 and your bucket will be created successfully. That's it. You've now created an S3 bucket using AWS S3 in N8n. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more N8n automation tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.